everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today, for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can share video on Facebook story from PC. So for that, you need to open the Google browser on your PC or in your laptop. Once you do that, you click open new tab and you open the Facebook web page. So on the search bar, you type in facebook.com and press enter. This will open the Facebook page and you need to first get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you have been logged in, you will be at the home page. Now for you to share a video on Facebook story, what you need to do over here is you need to click on the create story option on the top. Click that. Now you will be able to upload a photo story or you can create a text story. So once you're at this page, you can see there's only the option of create photo story and create a text story. There's no video option. Still, you can upload the video on Facebook story. For that, click on create a photo story. This will open the files in your computer or PC. As you can see, you do not see any video option here. For you to show the video option, you click on the drop down menu and there you click on all file. This will show you the video on your PC. Now you need to go and select the video that you want to upload. I'm just gonna choose this video option. This type of file is not supported. Please select a photo instead. I'm going to cross this out and I'm going to click on share to story. Even though it says the file will not be supported, click that. Now you wait for a few seconds for the video to be uploaded. You can see your story on here. Click upon that. And there you can see your video has been uploaded. So this is the way how you can upload or share a video on Facebook from PC. You can see your story on your Facebook feed. Hope this video was useful on how to share video on Facebook story from PC. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.